Unsold showroom traffic. Completely different mindset than a fresh internet lead. With a fresh internet lead, you want to acknowledge all the progress the buyer's done. You want to keep the momentum of the deal alive. With unsold showroom traffic, page 25, you actually want to rework the entire car deal. How many times has someone said, "Oh, I love you. You were great. You're awesome. Oh, I don't have any objections." And then you call them back and they hit you with something that you didn't even see. It happens all the time. I've called people that think they love me and they hate me. I've called people that I thought hated me and they love me. So we just want to make sure that we're reworking these deals the right way and we're starting the deal completely fresh. With fresh internet leads, one way to work them, right? Acknowledge, move in the direction. With unsold showroom traffic, you don't know what they were telling you is actually the deal, okay?